The 2008 Mercury Mariner. Room for 5 passengers. Tight, responsive handling. 6 standard airbags and savvy functionality are all part of the stylish and powerful Mariner. Mariner's electric power steering is powered by an electric motor, improving the steering feel at low speeds, providing precise steering on the highway and helping improve fuel economy. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, 4-wheel drive, power steering, front air conditioning, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, rear defrost. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.